mean, the floor and everything seems pretty sturdy here, so I wouldn't worry about stepping anywhere in particular.
It looks original. Yeah,
Well, it's definitely original, yeah, so. I would be curious as to the roof, if anyone knows when the roof was last, you know, dealt with, because that's always kind of a lingering question mark with stuff like this. I'm gonna open up this back door to get some light in here while we're looking around. Yeah. Looks like they have a proper big air conditioning unit. Huh?
I was reading the door.
Oh.
Please don't.
Please don't murder people up here. Wow.
Probably windows, I guess.
Yeah, they would have been. Yeah, all of these would have had a lot of windows. Because I mean, think about it. 100 years ago.
Oh, right. They didn't have heating and air. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you would have had a lot of windows just for the light.
I wonder why you would fill in windows. Like, what and why?
Well, I mean, one, for insulation, because these buildings have no insulation. So the fact that you have big windows is the biggest energy hog in the winter. Now here it's not as much of an issue as it is in the colder climates, you know. But okay, so that's new.
Decking.
Yeah, that's new. So that's obviously been.
It's supposed to be 7,000 square feet up here.
Yeah. Oh, I believe. Oh, you just wait till you see up here. It's so this. I believe this is the neighbor's. This is technically the neighbor's property. Let's see how it goes down there. So.
And so this is a hall, and then look at that knob and tube electric. It's very bright.
Yeah.
This is kind of fun.
Of course, it's kind of fun. What's not fun about it?
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
They didn't cover their windows.
But they're obviously using this for like storage, you know.
Yeah.
Like that's not a fire hazard,
Yeah.
right? So yeah, so this here, so this is the front where the windows would have been, you know, up front there.
Oh yeah.
And then these were obviously like apartments of some sort. So there's a series of rooms up here because you figured, I mean, this was like a typical apartment back then, so they were pretty small. They probably had, you know, 3 people living up here at some point. Okay, that goes in the same room. A little closet. Now this is the interesting part, the old carpet. Nasty old area. Yeah, look at this.
So is this a part of the building? Or is this
Yeah, because the other side doesn't have an upstairs, right?
You're right.
The neighboring business. Look at that.
Oh wow.
That's a nice one.
Oh,
Go check it out.
No way.
Touch it. Touch it. Oh my God, this is so nasty. Oh. Wow. See, this is where you can tell, you see where they patched this up?
Yeah.
And you see where there's daylight coming through?
Yep.
So this is what I'm talking about as to, you know, you never can tell where these problem areas are in these older buildings until they're, you know, totally gutted out. They have roofing shingles in here still.
This is one apartment. Right, this is one apartment. I was thinking it was a series of apartments, but this is one apartment.
Yeah. That doesn't look too good, does it?
Nope. The light bulb right.
All right, you ready for the reveal? Oh,
no.
We're going all the way. Hold the flashlight. Oh, there's nothing in it. Oh, it's just filled with maggots.
You gonna check the freezer? No?
It's better than expected. That couch is pretty epic.
Yeah, it is neat.
That's a pretty festive couch. That is pretty awesome. Can't buy those anymore.
Interesting chair just sitting there.
It's where
It's not creepy at all.
somebody was held against their will, probably.
Yeah. That would cross my mind.
This carpet's pretty fly.
Yeah. Okay, so this is like a bedroom, I guess?
Yeah, okay, so I'm turned around. This is the
It's the front.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm all turned around now. No, that's the back. No, you're right. It is
Yeah.
the front.
Yeah,
It is the
because
front.
then right here is the.
Yeah, you're right. That is the front, and then those windows, we saw the boarded up
Yeah.
ones up there. Okay.
I'm gonna take a video of this right here.
You should.
And I'm gonna put this on my. This is crazy.
So much junk. I wonder how far this goes, actually. Look at this old belts and stuff. Ooh, color TV antenna. Gotta have one of them. Well, I think that about wraps it up here. I'll do a video of it downstairs again. All right, you lost yet?
I got it.
Okay,
I'll
cool.
take a picture.